Here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and let me show you how to change PIN to your SIM card. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select biometrics and security, and here click on other security settings. Now at the top of the list you will find setup SIM card lock, just mark it, and here you can smoothly change it. Click on change SIM card PIN, and at first enter the old one, tap on OK to confirm. And now it's time to provide your device with a new PIN code to your SIM card. Then re-enter it to confirm. And that's it. As you can see, it has been changed. So that would be all. This is it. Congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.